Scary moments captured on body camera footage. Now, more than a year later, the man accused of opening fire inside a North Texas hospital set to stand trial.
Chris Sadeghi joins us live outside the courthouse. So, Chris, we know the alleged shooter is facing several charges.
Yes, Kara, the killing of those two healthcare workers at Methodist Hospital brought a lot of changes to the laws concerning ankle monitors. However, the accused killer now faces the trial that could lock him up for good. It was little more than a year ago that Nestor Hernandez is accused of going to Methodist Hospital to see his girlfriend who'd just given birth to their child. In interviews with WFAA, that girlfriend said Hernandez accused her of seeing another man and began assaulting her. When worker Jacqueline Paqua entered, she was shot, and then Annette Flowers was also shot as she walked outside the door. She would later die. Police say a Methodist officer shot Hernandez, allowing them to arrest him. Much of the shooting was captured on hospital surveillance video from the hallway. Now, the friends and families of those two victims wanted to show up in the courtroom today wearing scrubs to honor them, but the judge would not allow that. And even though this is a capital murder case, the Dallas County DA's office will not be pursuing the death penalty. Mark and Kara.
You know, Chris, we've been following this case for a while, and a lot of people talked about so many different failures that seemed to happen that led up to this point. You mentioned changes to the law. So what's different now because of the shooting?
Well, there were some changes concerning the ankle monitoring system because in the days following the shooting, we learned that Hernandez cut off the ankle monitor that he was wearing, and that would have been his second parole violation. So that brought the increased scrutiny, the increased criticism of the parole system, the ankle monitoring system. And in this past legislative session, a bill was passed that enhances the penalty for anybody who does cut off that ankle monitor. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you.